Hi everyone, my name is Nick, and today I'll walk you through TalentHR's performance feature. So, let's start by setting up a performance review questionnaire. In TalentHR, there are two types of questions you can include. We have the standard questions, designed to give you a high-level insight across the business, and you can also add custom questions, which are fully flexible, so you can tailor them to your specific needs. To build your questionnaire, just click Add to start adding questions. Then you just create any type of question you would like with the title. It could be multiple choice, it could be open text, or something even more specific. You can add custom questions to any section of the questionnaire. For example, you can add them to the employee questionnaire, and once answered, these responses will always be visible to the manager, or you can then add them to the manager questionnaire, which supports two sections. Questions that, once answered, are visible to the manager and HR, and questions that are also shared with the employee once completed. This gives you flexibility over who sees what while still keeping the process transparent where needed. Now, let's build a review cycle. Just head to the Review Cycles tab and click Add Review Cycle to get started. Here, you'll start by giving your review a cycle name and setting the start date and the duration. Next, you can choose to include one of the custom questions you've already created or add one on the spot. You can also decide if the cycle should be recurring. So you can choose if it be 6 months or even 12 months. And in the end, you choose if it will apply to all your employees or limit to a specific location, department, or any other grouping you would like. And once a performance review cycle is started, both employees and their managers receive a notification email letting them know it's time to take action. They'll also see a notification in their For Action tab inside TalentHR, where employees can complete their self-reviews and managers can review their direct reports. Everything happens in one place, making it easy to keep the review process on track. So let's have check into one of these reviews. Whether you're completing a self-review or filling out a review as a manager, the process works the same way. You can answer the questionnaire at your own pace and save it as a draft if you're not ready to submit. This lets you come back later to make any changes you want or decide when it should be visible to your manager or the employee. Once you're ready, just click on Submit a Review to finalize your answers and make them visible. Now, let's take a quick look at performance reporting. This, we need to head over to the report section and then choose performance. The standard questions built into TalentHR are designed to give you a big picture insight into your organization, like how valued or engaged your employee feels. You'll see company-wide reports and can also have the breakdown by department, gender, age, and quite a few more. This helps you spot trends, identify areas for improvement, and track progress over time. You'll also find employee-specific insight around two key metrics: how much value an employee brings to the business and how engaged they feel. These insights are shown in a clear matrix view, making it easy to spot alignment or gaps at a glance. And when you click on an employee in the matrix, you're automatically taken to their profile where you can view their full responses in detail. This makes it easy to connect the data with real feedback and take action where needed. Now, that's pretty much it. Now all you need to do is head over to TalentHR website and click on Start Free to explore how performance reviews work firsthand. You'll get a 14-day full access to all features so you can track everything before making the final decision.